Hi guys, good day to everyone. My topic is about circle. Okay, the problem I've here is find the equation of the circle passing through point 1 is at positive 4 and negative 3 and point 2 is at negative 3 and negative 4 with the radius of 5. Okay, so we have this formula x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. This is the first degree equation of a circle, where the center is at h and k. Center is at h and k. Okay? So the points are given. So at point 1, 4 and negative 3. Okay? So take note, this is our x and this is our y. So plug in x and y. So this will be 4 minus h squared. Then plus, plug in y, negative 3 minus k squared is equals to, r is 5. So 5 squared. Okay, so expand this 4 minus h squared. So 4 minus h, 4 minus h, 4 times 4, that will be 16. 4 times negative h, that will be negative 4h. Then, this will be negative 4h. Then, h times h, that will be positive h squared. So, bring down 16. Then, sum up this one because they have the same sign. So, this will be 8h plus h squared. Now, the second circle brackets, negative 3 minus k squared. So this will be negative 3 minus k, negative 3 minus k. Okay, negative 3, that will be positive 9. Negative 3 times negative k, that will be positive 3k. Negative k times negative 3, that will be positive k. And then negative, that will be positive k squared. So this will bring down 9. The same sign, so sum up, this will be 6k plus k squared. So I have here 16 minus 8h plus h squared plus 9 plus 6k plus k squared is equal to 25. Okay, so I will write this one as h squared. Then next will be minus 8h plus 16. Then k squared plus 6k plus 9 is equals to 25. So I will form this one as the second degree equation of a circle. So second degree of equation of a circle is this one, x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0. Okay? So I will arrange. So starting from h squared followed by k squared. Then next will be negative 8h. Then followed by plus 6k. Then combine 16 plus 9 is 25. So this will be 25. Transpose 16 and 9. That will be minus 25. So this will be h squared plus k squared minus 8h plus 6k is equals to 0. So this will be my first equation or equation 1. Okay? Then at point 2, I have negative 3 and negative 4. So the same, I will use this kind of equation. So x minus h squared plus circle brackets y minus k squared is equal to r squared. This one will be r equals 5. This one will be r equals 5. Okay, so plug in x and y. So this will be negative 3 minus h squared plus y is negative 4, then minus k squared is equals to 5 squared. So, multiply negative 3 minus h, minus 3 minus h. So, this will be negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Negative 3 times negative h, that will be positive h. Negative h times negative 3, that will be positive h. Then negative negative, that will be positive. H times h, that will be h squared. So bring down 9, then sum up 6h plus h squared. Okay, so next will be negative 4 minus k, negative 4 minus k. So negative 4, that will be positive 16. Negative, negative, that will be positive 4k. K times 4, that will be positive 4k. Negative times negative, that will be positive k squared. So bring down 16. The same sign, that will be sum up. The sign is positive. 4 plus 4, that is 8k plus k squared. Okay, allow me to erase this sign. Okay, so this will be 9 plus 6h plus h squared, then plus 16 plus 8k, then plus k squared is equal to 25. Okay, 25. 5 squared, that will be 25. Then I will arrange this one. So it should be h squared, then plus 6h plus 9 plus k squared plus 8k plus 16 is equal to 25. So this will be h squared, then plus k squared plus 6h plus 8k, and then combine plus 25 is equal to 25. H squared plus k squared plus 6h plus 8k is equal to 25 minus 25. So this will be h squared plus k squared plus 6h plus 8k is equal to 0. So this is now my second equation. This will be second, equation 2. Okay, what will be the next? So I have to equate using algebra. I will equate equation 1 and 2. So equate equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 is h squared plus k squared minus 8h plus 6k is equal to 0. Then the second equation is h squared plus k squared plus 6h plus 8k is equal to 0. Okay, I will multiply by negative 1 the first equation, both sides. So multiply negative 1 times h squared, that will be negative h squared. Multiply this one, negative k squared. Multiply, that will be positive 8h. Multiply negative 1 to 6k, that will be negative 6k. And then negative 1 times 0, that is 0. Then just copy the second equation. H squared plus k squared plus 6h, sorry, there is plus 6h plus 8k is equal to 0. Okay? So take note, negative h squared, positive h squared, that will be crossed out. Negative k squared, positive k squared, cross out. So, the same sign, combine. Add, this will be 14, H. And then, unlike sign, so subtract 8K minus 6K. That will be 2. And then, since 8 is bigger than 6, so this will be positive. Positive 2K is equal to 0. Okay, solving for H, 14H is equal to negative 2K. And then divide both sides by negative 2. So I've got K is equal to negative 7H. And then this one will be substituted to in equation. So let's say this will be equation 3. Okay, I will use equation 3. Then I have to plug in equation 1. So I will use equation 1. Equation 1 is H squared plus K squared minus 8H plus 6K is equal to 0. Then as what I said, I have to plug in equation 3 to equation 1. Okay? So, K is equal to negative 7H. So, this will be H squared, then K plus K is negative 7H squared. Then minus 8H plus 6K is negative 7H is equal to 0. So this will be H squared, negative negative. So meaning this is negative 7H times negative 7H. So this will be positive 49H squared. Okay? Then minus 8H. Then multiply positive times negative, that will be negative. 6 times 7, that will be 42H is equal to 0. Then combine. This will be 50H squared. Because this is 1. 1 plus 49, that will be 50. 50H squared. And then this one, negative 8H minus 42H. So the same sign, meaning add 42 and 8. So that will be 50. Then common sign is negative. So this will be negative 50H is equal to 0. Then common factor. So I have 50H. Circle brackets. So I have in here H. Then minus 1 is equal to 0. So I have now 50H is equal to 0. Then dividing by 50 both sides. So my H will be 0. And then the other side, I have H minus 1 is equal to 0. Then transpose negative 1 to the right, that will be positive 1. So I have now two values for H. Now, my next task is to find the K. So I will plug in H is equal to 0 and H equals to 1 to equation 3. Okay? So I will erase in here. Then I will plug in. This one is K is equal to negative 7H. At H is equal to 0. So K will be negative 7 times 0. So I've got 0. So my first K, I will just say this one is H1, H2. This one will be K1, K1. Okay? Then at H2, sorry, this is H2 is equal to 1. Then K equals negative 7 times 1. So I have now K will be negative 7. So therefore, I have two centers of this equation. First will be 0, 0 and 0, meaning at the origin. Then, and another center. Center is at 1 and, because H and K, 1 and negative 7. Okay? Then I have to use the equation. So I have now the center, 0, 0, and then I have 1 and negative 7. So, use this one. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to, radius is given 5 squared. Now, h, let's start from 0, 0. Center will be 0, 0. Okay? So, plug in. So, x, h is 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 5 squared. So, if you expand this one, x minus 0, that will be x squared plus y squared, because that will be 0, and this will be equal to 25. So, this is now the first equation of a circle. Equation of the circle. Okay, next will be at center, the second, 1 and negative 7. So again, we will use this first equation, standard of equation of a circle. This will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So plug in x and y. So this will be 1, x first, x minus 1 squared plus y, circle brackets, y minus k, minus minus, that will be plus 7 squared, and we know that this is 5, right? So this will be squared. So expand x minus y times x minus y. So x minus 1, I mean x minus 1, this will be x squared minus x plus 1. So this will be x squared minus 2x plus 1. How about y? Y plus 7. Y plus 7. So y squared plus 7y. 7y. 7 times 7, that will be 49. So bring down y squared plus 14y plus 49. Okay, so x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared plus 14y plus 49 is equal to 25. Okay, so I will write in a format form for the second standard equation of a circle. So this will be x squared, then followed by y squared minus 2x plus 14y, then combine this one and 49, that will be 50, is equal to 25. X squared, y squared minus 2x plus 14y, then plus 50 transpose to the left, that will be minus 25, is equal to 0. So this will be x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 14y plus 25 is equal to 0. So this is now the second equation. Equation of the circle. So I have 2. X squared plus y squared equals to 25. Then the second will be x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 14y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the second equation of a circle. That's all. Thanks for watching.